Hey guys, now we'll start with question number 20 and let's see what the question 20 says. The eccentricity of an ellipse whose center is at origin is 1 by 2. If one of its directrices is x equal to minus 4, then the equation of the normal to it at the given point 1 comma 3 by 2 is. So first we'll start with the things which are given to us. So E is given to us 1 by 2. And directrices is given as x equal to minus 4, and we'll simply apply the formula of directrices, that is minus a by a equal to minus 4. Once we will compute this, a is coming out to be 2. Now we will simply compute the value of b square, that is a square 1 minus e square. Here just put the value of a, that is 4, and 1 minus e square, that is 1 minus 1 by 4. And once you will solve it, the value is coming out to be 3. Now we will simply write the equation of ellipse, and the equation of ellipse is x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. Now simply put the values of b square, and we have been given with a, which we just computed. So a square is equal to 4. Just put this value over here and put this value over here. Then we will get the equation of our ellipse, that is x squared by 4 plus y squared by 3 equal to 1. Now we have to create the equation of normal, for which simply we are going to use these coordinates. For that, x minus 1 upon 1 by 4 equal to y minus 3 by 2 upon 3 upon 2 into 3. 3 will get cancelled out, and this equation will comes out to be this: 4x minus 2y minus 1 equal to 0. And if we'll check with the given options, a option is the correct one.